Hello guys, this is a sound test for this creature, this Fisher Price sound puppet. That's not necessary. Right, just turn it on to the setting of 1, gives you the following sound effects. If you set it to the second sound effect setting of 2, you get the roaring. And then once again, if you set it back to setting 1, you just get the laughing again. So you finally, it cycles through all the different settings. Okay, that's it for this video. This is just to show the actual different sound effects and settings for this monster, this Fisher Price Imaginext voice monster.